All right, team. Fishing rods, tackle box, snacks.
Yay!
I think we've got everything.
I've got my lucky fishing hat. And I packed extra sandwiches.
Don't forget the sunscreen, honey.
Right, sunscreen. Where did I put it? Oh well, let's just get going. We have a long drive to the lake.
Wow! The lake is so big and sparkly. I can't wait to catch a big fish.
Okay, let's get set up. Max, grab your rod. Wait, where are the fishing rods?
What do you mean, Dad?
I think I left them on the porch. I forgot to load them in the car.
No fishing rods? But how are we gonna catch fish?
Oh, honey.
Oh, honey, don't worry. We all make mistakes.
So, what are we gonna do for the whole day?
I am so sorry, kids. This was my big plan, and I messed it up.
Well, we still have all the snacks, right? Yeah! And we can still explore. Look at all those ducks.
You're right. We didn't come all the way here to be grumpy. That's my family.
I say we find a nice spot by the water, have the best picnic of our lives.
And watch the ducks. And I promise, next time, I will triple check the car.
Deal! Let's go feed the ducks! I want to see if they like my sandwich crusts.
This is actually perfect. The weather is beautiful.
You know, I went catching fish that I forgot the best part is just being here with you three.
I love watching the water sparkle. Look! That duck is wearing a silly hat. Oh, wait, it's just a feather.
You know what? This is the best fishing trip I've ever been on.
Even without the fishing?
Especially without the fishing, because the real catch is spending time with my favorite people.
Aw, Dad, you're being sappy. But it's true. I'm having so much fun.
I wouldn't trade this moment for 100 fish.
All right, who wants the last sandwich?
Well, we didn't bring home any fish, but we brought home happy hearts.
And a promise. Next Saturday, fishing rods are the first thing in the car.
Promise, Dad?
And we will learn from this adventure. Sometimes, the best memories are the ones you didn't plan.
I'm just glad I got to feed the ducks. Me too.
I love you guys.
We love you too, Dad.